The slow cooker pulled pork is perfect for tacos, sliders, sandwiches and pizza. It takes little effort to prepare and cooks low and slow all day until tender and falling apart. Welcome to Recipes by Karina, where I share with you how to make classic and simply delicious recipes. Make sure to follow my page or subscribe for a new recipe each week. Start off by making the spice rub for the pork. In a small bowl, combine brown sugar, salt, chili powder and cumin. If you would like the full recipe for the slow cooker pulled pork, it'll be on my website as well as the full measurements listed in the description box below. This recipe will make enough to serve about 8 people, but it also freezes perfectly, so the idea is you make enough to have leftovers to use for other meals. Give the spice rub a mix together and set to the side. The spice rub is what's going to flavour the pork and infuse in while it cooks on low all day. A few other ingredients we'll need is 2 brown onions and a few cloves of garlic. Take your 2 onions, peel and slice into quarters and remove the garlic peel. Place the ingredients into the base of the slow cooker around the edges. The pork will sit in the middle. If you don't have a slow cooker, you can do this in your oven. You'll need a high-sided pot with a tight-fitting lid like a Dutch oven to stop all the moisture escaping while it cooks. Take your spice rub and with clean dry hands sprinkle it over the pork and press it in until it's covering all sides evenly. If your pork still has the skin on, use a sharp knife to cut it off along with any hard fat. Place the pork into the slow cooker on top of the onions. Finally, add the liquid. I'm using chicken stock here, but you can use beer or apple juice. Pour in enough until it comes 1/4 to 1/3 of the way up the pork, about 2 to 4 cups. Place your lid on the slow cooker and turn it on to low for 8 hours or high for 6 hours. Times can vary depending on the size of the piece of pork. When the time is up, remove the lid and use a fork to probe the pork. If it pulls apart easily, it's ready, but if it doesn't, continue cooking, checking every 30 minutes. Remove the pork to a plate and use forks or bear claws to pull it apart. Transfer the pork back to the slow cooker and add your barbecue sauce. This can be homemade or your favourite store-bought. Give it a good toss and turn back on high for about 15 to 30 minutes to heat through. Serve your pulled pork on a toasted brioche bun, on tacos, pizza, or there are so many other delicious options. It freezes and reheats perfectly, making it great for quick and easy meals. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.